Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English speaking skill series. This is class 4. In today's class, we will dive into even more advanced topic to help you continue improving your English speaking skills. Let's get started. In today's class, we will cover talking about future plans using the future tense, giving and following direction, discussing likes, dislikes, and opinion. Let's begin by learning how to talk about future plans using the future tense. This is important for discussing what you will do later or in the future. To talk about future plans, you can use I will travel to New York next month. I am going to start a new job next week. Let's practice these together. Repeat after me. I will travel to New York next month. I am going to start a new job next week. Let's learn how to give and follow directions. This is useful for helping someone find their way and understanding how to get somewhere. To give direction, you can use turn right at the next traffic light. Go straight until you reach the library. The cafe is across from the park. To follow direction, you can listen for these key phrases and landmarks. Let's practice these together. Repeat after me. Turn right at the next traffic light. Go straight until you reach the library. Now, let's learn how to discuss likes, dislikes, and opinion. This will help you share your thoughts and feeling about different topics. To express likes and dislikes, you can use I like pizza because it tastes delicious. I don't like rainy weather because it makes me feel sad. To express opinion, you can use in my opinion, learning English is very useful. I think this movie is very interesting. Let's practice these together. Repeat after me. I think this movie is very interesting. In my opinion, learning English is very useful. Great job. Everyone, today we learn how to talk about future plans using the future tense, give and follow direction, and discuss likes, dislike, and opinion. Remember to practice these phrases with your friends and family to improve your English speaking skills. Thank you for joining today's class. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more lessons. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. See you in the next class. Bye.